aesthetics and functionality. But this loco was absolutely the best, there's no doubt about it.
For Nandini and her crew, this is an occasion to remember. But they know, as they back her into the shed, that their victory is bittersweet. For despite the fact that the Black Beauties have proven themselves today, another fate awaits them. In northeast India, a little toy train climbs the foothills of the Himalaya, the tallest mountains in the world. Every morning, Buddhist monks look towards the east, welcoming the sun to the remote mountain town of Darjeeling. Darjeeling has always been a frontier town, where an oriental look enters the faces of India. But it also tells of another heritage. The British loved the climate so much, they made it a hill station to escape the heat of the plains below. And the sounds of the train they brought echo up from the valleys. For the people of the mountain, the train has always been a part of their lives. In the days of the British Raj, it carried the famous Darjeeling tea down from the plantations. This is still a place where the day is measured not only by the sun, but by the routine passing of the trains. 18 little locomotives run back and forth on the Darjeeling Himalayan line. The youngest is 70 years old, and the oldest is 105. Every day, several trains climb from the plain of the Ganges in about the same amount of time it took Mark Twain when he came to Darjeeling in 1896. The beginning of every trip is a ritual for the 6-man crew. Each engine is an antique heirloom that's been entrusted to their care, and they look after them like living, breathing creatures, feeding and watering them. The fireman knows that only a good head of steam can carry the train up to 7,407 feet to reach the highest station in all of Asia.